Hello Lucas Nation fans, welcome back to another exciting cooking with Chef K.L.P Season 2. We're going to do some southern catfish for you guys. So, of course, there's the catfish there. What you want to do, y'all, is what I like to do is cut off the fins of the fish. You guys can cook it with the fins on there. I just like to cut mine off, but these are well-caught catfish. We're cutting up the fins up now. This is just kind of how I like to prepare my seafood fish. I don't really like the fins that much, so as you see, I'm cutting it up right now, nice and good on the cutting board there. I like to cut those out. So now that you see, y'all, it's freshly cut out, and next step you're gonna do is apply some flour. Apply some flour to your fish because this is going to be fried. Catfish is what we're doing, the southern fried catfish. So as you see, there is the covered in flour cod catfish, and now you put it in your grease. That's the next step you're going to do is put it in your pot and let it fry over. Of course, you want to have a good amount of grease or oil to use to fry your fish. If you put too little grease, it's going to take you a while to fry this exotic dish. So as you see now, we're frying up the fish in the pot pan. I never do a pan because you're just going to cook your fish, not really fry it. You want to do a pot so you can do a deep fry for it. So the next step you're going to do, we're cooking some shrimp along with it. So as you guys can see, we're getting ready to do that. We'll come back to the shrimp. One thing you guys got to do, this is a very huge step, is to flip your fish. Now this works for any kind of meat you cook, whether it's chicken, steak, rib, pig, pork, shrimp, fish. You want to flip your meat. Flip it over to the other side so that both sides can get equally cut and cooked. If you keep it on one side will be well done other than the other side, and it's going to be out of proportion and it's not going to taste as good. So it's really good that you flip your meat over, simply because you want it to cook at the equal amount of time. It is kind of hard for me to flip it with fish on this pot, but as you guys can see, it's always good to flip your meat. Always flip your meat. If you don't flip your meat, it will not taste as good for both sides. So as you see, it's always good to flip your meat. So the next step, we're going to do fried shrimp along with it. So what you have to do is cut your tails off of the shrimp and cover it in flour. Now here's a look at what the fish is looking like right now. Of course, with this you can also add some seasonal spices to it. I added a little bit of spice ingredients into it. I didn't add the white peppercorn, but I did add a spice to it. And now that your fish is up, you put your shrimp in there. Your shrimp has to be fully covered in flour to really have that exotic fried shrimp taste to it. If it's not fully covered, then it's going to be out of proportion, and it's not going to taste as well. One part of it will be fried and one will be cooked, and it's going to taste a little bit weird in your mouth. So you want to make sure that it's covered in all bases of the shrimp and let it fry, and voila, there's your southern fried catfish and your shrimp. So hopefully you like this video. Of course, give us a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. And if you want to see me cook other things on the channel of K.L.P Entertainment, please let us know. Cooking with Kennedy Lucas Season 2 was brought to you by Swanky Studios. That's where we're able to film our video off of. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to share this video and subscribe to all the social medias in the link description below. This has been Cooking with Chef K.L.P. Chef K.L.P. logging out.